Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we're going to do a cooking tips video. I want to talk a little bit about pots and pans and how to use them and clean them and everything. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button for more notifications. Okay, so we're going to start with this metal pot. They do come in sets where you can get like a saute pan and everything like that. I do not particularly like these because of the fact that they are not non-stick, so things will stick to them, but they're good for like boiling pasta and things like that, cooking vegetables. Next here we have a copper pan, and there are a few of these. This is well used and loved. It is non-stick and it's great for like cooking eggs and pancakes and stuff like that. Next we have a ceramic pan, and of course these all come in lines, so you do get different size pots and pans with this. This is also non-stick, and you really don't even need to use butter to cook in these pots and pans are amazing, and they're actually my number one. Next is another non-stick pan. This is Teflon. Again, these all come in sets, but I'm just showing you one. This is also non-stick, and it's nice, you know. So if you were going to cook with these, this is a hard plastic spatula, and you want to get like spoons and stuff that are a hard plastic so they don't melt when you're cooking. You want to use this in all non-stick pans, so the Teflon, the ceramic, and the copper, because if you use metal, it will scrape your pans and remove that Teflon or whatever from underneath. This is a metal spatula, so if you want to use this, you can use it for the metal pans, or you can use it on the grill or the griddle or anything like that, but not in your non-stick pans. So as it pertains to cleaning, this is a Brillo pan. These things are really nice for removing and scrubbing up tough, hard to get things out of pans. The only thing about this is you don't want to use it in a non-stick pan because it is metal and it will scrape your pans, especially the Teflon. It will remove that from it. So what you want to use is this. They have like Scotch-Brite or like Benefit Erase Paste, but it's just a sponge with a little less of a scrubby on there. It really gets everything off because it is non-stick, so it won't stick to everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking tips video. Let me know if you guys want to see any more of these. Don't forget to check the description box below for my links. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.